Hi everybody, this is Jim from the English Treehouse, and today we're going to have a look at an American refrigerator. American refrigerator. Let's take a look, okay? This is an American refrigerator. It is very big, very big, and inside, look at this. We have all the food. Okay? Look at the size of the milk carton. This is milk. 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 Alright? Juice. Lots of stuff. Okay? This is root beer. Root beer. Big root beer. And very heavy ketchup. Ketchup. Oh, a big refrigerator. Wow, very big. And this side, we have all ice cream. Look at all the ice cream and pies and French fries. And here we have lots of vegetables and lots of carrots. Oh, lots of food in the big refrigerator. Yep, bye-bye.